Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to change a storage drive on your PC. Before we begin, remember to back up all your critical data to an external drive or cloud service. You will need a standard Phillips head screwdriver, your new storage drive, and a clean, organized workspace. Always ensure your hands are free of static by touching a grounded metal object, like your PC's case, before handling components. First, completely power down your PC and unplug every cable from the back, especially the main power cord. Now, place your computer on a stable, flat surface where you have plenty of room to work. Use your screwdriver to remove the 2 or 3 screws that secure the side panel at the rear of the case. Gently slide or unlatch the panel, setting it aside safely to avoid any scratches or damage. Now, identify your current storage drive. It is typically a 2.5-inch or 3.5-inch rectangular component. Disconnect both the flat, thin SATA data cable and the wider, multi-wire power cable connected to the drive. Next, remove any screws, usually 2 or 4, or release the tool-less latch securing the drive within its bay. Carefully slide the old drive straight out, keeping it level, and place it in an anti-static bag. Take your new storage drive, perhaps a 1 terabyte solid-state drive, and carefully slide it into the empty drive bay, ensuring the connection ports face the interior of the case. Align the screw holes on the drive with those on the bay, then firmly secure it with 2 to 4 screws or by engaging the locking mechanism. Finally, reattach the SATA data cable and the SATA power cable to your brand new drive, ensuring a snug and secure connection on both ends.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.